Nicole is now a tropical storm after making landfall overnight in Florida as a hurricane. The storm is expected to bring some heavy rain tomorrow to the Susquehanna Valley. That is making it an impact day, and meteorologist Ethan Houston has more on that.
Here is the latest on Nicole. It's downgraded to a tropical storm. Actually lost a little bit of strength, but notice the speed. Still moving at a good clip off to the northwest at 15 miles per hour. Winds are now down to 45 miles per hour. You can see now it's 45 miles northeast of Tampa, Florida. Here is the area of Florida that was hit the hardest from Ian. You can still see rain bands moving in and unfortunately gusty winds and a little bit of a storm surge there. It is expected for Nicole to move out briefly into the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico and make a secondary landfall this evening, then weaken to a remnant low, but it is going to accelerate its speed off to the north. And I do expect the rain from Nicole to move in by dawn tomorrow. So you can see just how big this storm system is. Outer rain bands of Nicole extend all the way now to the South Carolina and North Carolina state line. For us, we're on the north side of the storm, so lots of sinking air, lots of sunshine out there across the valley. It is going to be a beautiful afternoon and a mild afternoon. 61 already in Lancaster with a gentle breeze out of the north. Beautiful day today. Just expect some clouds to start to move in as we get closer to sunset. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s. Overnight tonight, the majority of the night is going to be dry but warm. Lows near 50. It's once we get closer to dawn, the showers start to move on in, and then we're talking a soaking rain through the day tomorrow. And that rainfall could be heavy at times, especially tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and it could come down hard enough. It could cause some localized flooding. That's why tomorrow is an impact day. Highs tomorrow will be up near 70 degrees, and notice those winds possibly up to 20 miles per hour. There's also a low chance. There is some spin in the atmosphere as the remnants of a cold moves on by. A spin-up tornado is possible. Very low chance of that happening. Main concern is going to be that heavy rainfall that could lead to some localized flooding. 64 already in Ephrata. It is 59 in Carlisle and 66 at this hour at the gauge near Gettysburg. Notice the temperatures really drop back to the northwest of Kansas City, all the way back into the 30s and below freezing along the Rockies. So here's Nicole. Here's that incoming cold front. Once this cold front gets a little closer, that's what's going to help pull the remnants of cold quickly off to the north as we head into Friday and through the day Saturday. So let's take you hour by hour here on the predictor. First come the clouds, but the majority of the night will be dry. So once we get closer to dawn, here comes the rain moving north of the state line. Rounds of rain could be heavy at times. Some training, that means the same area gets hit over and over again, will be possible. Notice after sunset, that's when the heaviest the rain moves on in. Sorry, high school football games, but some of that rainfall really could come down hard. And then heading into Saturday morning before dawn, here comes the center of what's left of Nicole, and then it's out of here by dawn Sunday. Saturday's still going to be a pleasant day. It's going to be breezy, but once we get past sunset, that cold Canadian air moves on in, and it is going to be chilly for the back part of the weekend. Here's a look at the rainfall. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. A few spots could see a little bit more. Best chance for the heaviest of the rain will be off to our northwest. I think 1 to 2 inches of rain is a good bet for us here in the Susquehanna Valley. Notice the winds possibly gusting at times greater than 30 miles per hour. It will remain blustery as we head through Saturday and Sunday as the storm pulls away. But look what happens to the temperatures. Mid to upper 60s the next 2 days, 60 on Saturday, and then down go the temperatures with highs only in the 40s starting Sunday and then lasting through the rest of our 10-day forecast after tomorrow. The next best chance for showers will hold off until Wednesday.